writer, has anyone taken the time lately to tell you thank you? Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So if nobody has taken the time to thank you, let me just take a few seconds to say it. Thank you for sharing your work, writer. It dawned on me the other day that one of the bravest things you can do is share your stories, whether that's by publishing your work, exchanging it with a beta reader, sending it out on submission, or even attempting to complete something like National Novel Writing Month. Making the decision to put yourself and your work out there is extremely brave, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for taking the steps, and thank you for sharing your work with us. We need you. Keep writing and keep sharing, okay? If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye!